What's up people, Manoj here, coming to you with a video. This time I'm going to be giving you the garden update. This is a smaller section that I have of my garden that I use normally to initially start the crops. I got a couple of plants growing here, a couple of okra growing here. This is my other planter. I upgraded the sprinkler system from the drip irrigation heads to these kind of sprinklers, if you want to call it. I got beans growing here, okra growing here. I do have bell pepper also coming up. Some more plants here, as you can tell, and the drip system is going over there, and the eggplants are doing pretty well too. They have started to grow. On the other section I do have other plants also coming up. I'm also having some issues with some of the flowers falling, as you can tell, but some of them are also retaining, so that is definitely good. I'm also growing tomatoes. Some of these vines are also coming up. Considering it's early still, even though it's May, these plants are still booming. I also ended up getting orange tree. It's actually also coming up. This is my lemon tree. It's growing very slowly. And this is my around the tree planter. This thing is growing really good. I got hot peppers going over here, and this bush is of rosemary. Believe it or not, this thing is safe bet I think around 4 foot high now, and I've never seen rosemary flowers like this, so this is really interesting to see. And I also have some of this stuff growing on the bottom. This is my garlic harvest. It's just drying. Some did come, but this was a major failure, so I'm not going to plant garlic anymore. This is my other bed, which is a U-shaped bed. I got the sprinkler heads already ready to go. There are some grass that are protruding out of it. I do plan to take them out, and that's about it. If you have any questions or concern, please feel free to comment in the section below. I'll let you know how exactly I did and what exactly I did. I'll be happy to share my knowledge, very little of which I have, with you. Alright people, take care, bye.